Having the right 3D printer can completely change your printing experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best 3D printers so you'll never have to suffer through poor print quality again. Now, the issue is that a 3D printer might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most 3D printers are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect 3D printer for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus, my choice for the best 3D printer for hobbyists. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is an upgraded version of the already impressive Prusa MK3S. It boasts improvements to both the hardware and firmware, ensuring a seamless and reliable 3D printing experience. Developed by Joseph Prusa, a pioneer in the 3D printing community, this printer is well loved by hobbyists and professionals alike. One of the first things you'll notice about the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the DIY assembly kit. You have the option to order it pre-assembled, but if you're a hobbyist, I recommend going for the kit. Not only will you save some money, but assembling it yourself will give you a better understanding of how the printer works. And the assembly process is pretty straightforward, thanks to the step-by-step guide provided by Prusa. Now, once it's assembled, you'll be ready to start printing in no time. The printer comes with Prusa Slicer, an intuitive slicing software that makes it easy to prepare your 3D models for printing. When it comes to print quality, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus offers a build volume of 25 by 21 by 21 centimeters and a print resolution of up to 50 microns, which means you'll get detailed, precise prints. The printer also features an automatic mesh bed leveling system, which ensures a consistently level print surface. One of the best features of the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the filament sensor. This detects when you're running low on filament or if there's a jam. This means that the printer will pause, allowing you to fix the issue without ruining your print. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is known for its reliability. The upgraded components such as the Super Pinda probe and the reinforced Y-axis contribute to its excellent performance. In the rare event that you run into any issues, Prusa offers exceptional customer support, including a comprehensive knowledge base, active community forum, and responsive customer service. Considering the outstanding print quality, ease of use, and reliability, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus comes at a very reasonable price point. If you're a hobbyist looking for a high-quality, reliable 3D printer to bring your ideas to life, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is an excellent choice. Next on my list is the Flashforge Adventurer 3, my choice for the best 3D printer for beginners. As one of the best 3D printers for beginners, the Flashforge Adventurer 3 is incredibly easy to use. It has a user-friendly 2.8-inch touchscreen interface that guides you through the entire process, from loading the filament to adjusting print settings. It also comes pre-assembled, so you won't have to spend hours putting it together like some other 3D printers. It features an auto-leveling system, which means you won't have to worry about manually leveling the print bed. This is a huge advantage for beginners because leveling can be quite tricky, and getting it wrong can lead to poor print quality or even damage to the printer. The Adventurer 3 has a build volume of 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters and can print at a layer resolution of up to 100 to 400 microns, which is pretty impressive for a beginner-friendly printer. It also uses fused filament fabrication, FFF technology, and is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and PETG. This means you'll have plenty of flexibility to experiment with different materials and find the ones that work best for your projects. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 3 is its quiet operation. It's equipped with a fully enclosed design, which helps to dampen the noise produced during printing. This makes it a great option if you're planning to use it in a shared space or don't want to disturb your neighbors. The Adventurer 3 also offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, making it easy to send your 3D models directly to the printer. It also supports cloud-based printing and has a built-in camera which allows you to manage and monitor your print jobs remotely. As for software, Flashforge provides its own slicing software called FlashPrint. It's beginner-friendly and offers a range of customization options, making it an excellent companion to the Adventurer 3. A fantastic 3D printer for beginners, the Flashforge Adventurer 3 offers ease of use, great print quality, quiet operation, and versatile connectivity options, all wrapped in an affordable package. If you're just starting out in the world of 3D printing, you can't go wrong with the Adventurer 3. Next on my list is the Creality Ender 3 Pro, my choice for the best budget FDM 3D printer. The Ender 3 has been an international best-selling 3D printer since 2017, so it's no surprise that the Ender 3 Pro follows in its footsteps with an impressive impressive build quality at a reasonable price point. Featuring a solid aluminum frame which ensures stability and precision during printing, the Ender 3 Pro also uses a magnetic build surface that makes removing finished prints a breeze. The Ender 3 Pro comes partially assembled with an easy-to-follow instruction manual, which is great for DIY enthusiasts. And once you've got it up and running, the Ender 3 Pro offers a plethora of upgrade options. You can easily add a glass bed, a silent motherboard, or even a BL Touch auto bed leveling sensor, which means the 3D printer can grow with you as your skills develop. The Ender 3 Pro has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, which should be more than enough for most projects. It is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, making it versatile and suitable for various applications. The printer's extruder design also helps to reduce the risk of clogging and filament jams, offering a great user experience thanks to its easy to navigate and responsive rotary knob. This 3D printer comes with a removable SD card, allowing you to load your 3D models and start printing with ease. Additionally, the Ender 3 Pro is compatible with popular slicing software like Cura, Simplify 3D, and Repetier Host, giving you more control over your prints. One of the best aspects of the Ender 3 Pro is the massive community support behind it. There are countless forums, Facebook groups, and YouTube channels dedicated to helping users troubleshoot issues, share tips, and improve their printing experience. This strong support network ensures that you'll never be left in the dark when it comes to getting the most out of your 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3 Pro offers an unbeatable combination of affordability, performance, and upgradability. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a powerful, yet budget-friendly 3D printer. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the Elegoo Saturn Mars 2 Pro, my choice for the best budget resin 3D printer. While the Elegoo Saturn Mars 2 Pro boasts an all-metal CNC machine aluminum body that ensures durability and longevity, the thing that really sets it apart from other budget-friendly 3D printer models is its outstanding print quality. This 3D printer uses MSLA masked stereolithography apparatus technology, which provides a uniform and high-resolution light source to cure your resin prints. The 2K monochrome LCD screen ensures that your prints will come out looking crisp and detailed with a resolution of up to 1620 by 2560 pixels. The Z-axis accuracy of 50 microns guarantees smooth and precise layer lines, making your prints look nothing short of professional. But the Mars 2 Pro doesn't just offer incredible print quality, it's also a speedy machine. Thanks to its monochrome LCD screen, the printer can cure each layer in just 2 seconds, cutting down your print time significantly. The 6.08-inch color touchscreen also makes navigating the printer's menus a breeze, and the USB and Ethernet connectivity options make it easy to send your print files from your computer or even print directly from a USB drive. The Elegoo Saturn Mars 2 Pro comes with a sturdy resin vat, which is made from CNC machined aluminum and features a max fill line, making it easy to gauge how much resin you need for each print. The build plate has a unique textured surface that helps you grip your prints and ensure they stay put during the printing process. Now, another thing that stands out about the Mars 2 Pro is its user-friendly experience. Featuring an operating system that supports 13 different languages, this printer also uses Chai2 Box Slicer software, which is easy to use and allows you to customize your prints with a variety of settings. Additionally, the printer's design makes it simple to clean and maintain and easily removable components, while its built-in active carbon, which helps absorb the fumes of the resin, makes it so you can enjoy your printing experience without an unpleasant odor. The Elegoo Saturn Mars 2 Pro is a fantastic 3D printer that offers top-notch print quality, speed, and user experience at an affordable price. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to get into 3D printing, as well as seasoned makers looking for a high-quality, reliable machine. And lastly on my list is the Dremel DigiLab 3D45, my choice for the best 3D printer for educators. As one of the best 3D printers for educators, the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is designed to be user-friendly. It's plug and play right out of the box with a guided setup that's straightforward, even if you're a 3D printing newbie, and this ease of use extends throughout the entire printing process. The printer is no slouch when it comes to performance. It can handle a variety of materials such as PLA, nylon, Eco-ABS, and PETG, providing a lot of versatility for different classroom projects. It comes with a heated bed, an enhanced extruder, and an enclosed printing chamber, minimizing, warping, and optimizing print quality. The DigiLab 3D45 shines in its ease of use. Its full color touchscreen interface makes navigating through print settings a breeze. Plus, it has an automated patented leveling system, which means you spend less time calibrating and more time creating. But what really sets DigiLab 3D45 apart as an educational tool is its built-in safety and remote management features. The fully enclosed design helps ensure safety, important in a classroom setting, while the two active carbon filters help to protect users from harmful fumes. Featuring a built-in HD camera, the printer's cloud-based software lets educators manage multiple printers, queue print jobs, and monitor prints in real time. In addition, Dremel goes the extra mile with sustainability. The printer is designed to work with their own eco-friendly Eco-ABS filament. This is a big plus for educators who not only want to teach technology, but also instill values of environmental responsibility. Connectivity-wise, the DigiLab 3D45 offers multiple options. You can go with Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or simply use a USB. It also offers an impressive 50-micron resolution and uses proprietary Dremel DigiLab 3D Slicer software, which is easy to learn and offers a range of features. But it's also compatible with other slicing software, so you have flexibility. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly 3D printer that brings a lot to the table for educators. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you consider the features and the value it can bring to a classroom setting, it's definitely worth considering. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.